Ready to step up your fly fishing game without breaking the bank? This complete fly fishing gear set promises everything you need to get started on the water with confidence. Featuring an 8-foot, 3-piece fly rod paired with a 5/6 weight fly reel, it's designed to deliver smooth casts and reliable performance right out of the box. What makes this kit stand out is its blend of quality and comfort. The rod's fiberglass body offers a forgiving flex that's perfect for beginners, while the EVA foam handle ensures a secure, comfortable grip during long days on the river. Plus, the graphite reel seat with stainless steel guides adds durability where it counts. A built-in hook keeper keeps your gear safe and ready, so you won't waste time fumbling between casts. I've seen firsthand how this setup helps newcomers make real progress. One user shared that while the kit doesn't include instructions, there's plenty of helpful content online to guide you through attaching the backing, fly line, and leader. Adding a few inexpensive extras, like tippet, line nippers, hemostats, and a net, completes the setup for a smooth, hassle-free experience. These small additions are easy to find and won't add much to your budget. Transporting and storing your gear is just as simple. The included carrying case keeps the rod and reel protected and ready for your next trip. It's compact enough to fit in your car or closet without taking up much space, making it an ideal companion for weekend adventures or vacation fishing trips. If you're shopping for a beginner or youth angler, this fly fishing combo is a thoughtful gift that covers all the basics. It strikes the right balance between affordability and quality, so you're not sacrificing performance while learning the ropes. What you get is a dependable, easy-to-use setup that helps build confidence on the water and encourages more time casting and catching. Worth a look if you want a solid entry-level fly fishing kit that's ready to go with minimal fuss. It's a practical choice that sets you up for success without overwhelming you with gear or complexity. Try it when you're ready to start your fly fishing journey or surprise someone eager to learn this rewarding sport.